Today, we grab a pen and paper, or maybe a tablet and stylus for notes. But imagine if your everyday notebook was literally made of wax. That's exactly how people in ancient Rome often took down their thoughts, messages, and even homework. Long before pencils and pens, the Romans relied on simple yet effective tools, a stylus and a wax tablet. These tablets, called tabulae or codicilli, were usually small, rectangular pieces of wood, bone, or even ivory. One side was coated with a thin layer of dark wax, often black or green, to make the writing visible. The stylus was a pointed tool, typically made of metal like bronze or iron, or sometimes bone. You'd use the pointed end to scratch letters into the soft wax. What's neat is that the stylus also had a flat or spatulate end. This wasn't for decoration. It was designed for erasing. If you made a mistake or wanted to reuse the tablet, you'd simply smooth over the wax with the blunt end. These wax tablets were incredibly versatile. Students used them for lessons, merchants for keeping temporary records, and even soldiers for sending quick messages. They were durable, reusable, and portable, the Roman equivalent of a reusable whiteboard or a digital notepad. Sometimes, multiple tablets were hinged together, forming a codex, an early form of a book, foreshadowing bound books of parchment and paper. So, the next time you jot down a quick note, spare a thought for the Romans and their ingenious, reusable wax tablets.